Yes, guys, breaking news, man. Breaking news, guys. You know, this is the place to come for all Etsy news. So please hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell if you want all updates, man. And this is a fabuloso update. This is the one I've been waiting for a long time, man. I love this one, man. I love this one. Look at this. Etsy SEO is all in on AI, man. Says human and machine collaboration can still be handmade, man. This is what I've been waiting for so long, and this is crazy, guys. This is what we needed to hear and get that confirmation. And guys, if you love all of these kind of Etsy updates, do smash that notification bell, man. Look at this. Etsy SEO CEO, sorry, apologies, CEO, man. Josh Silverman has taken a strong stance in favor of allowing AI-assisted creation to be sold on the site as handmade. Now, listen, this was never in doubt in my mind. I know people keep asking, is AI allowed, man? We're selling AI design. Is it allowed? I kept on saying, yes, it is allowed, obviously, but people always worried, like, in case they were going to stop it or something. Anyways, likening the collaboration between humans and machines to other creative and artistic expressions like electronic dance and music. Silverman made the comments at a recent Axios event in New York City, man. He says, according to chiefmarketer.com, says, we had some discussions about, is that handmade or not? Does that belong on Etsy? And we decided ultimately that it was. In the same way that electronic dance music, the most popular form of music in the world right now, is collaborations between humans and synthesizers. I think this collaboration between humans and machines to generate art is actually going to be the next frontier. 100%, May. I agree with you, Mr. Silverman. 100%, May. That's certainly a positive way to look at how AI can be used to create art. But Silverman also desperately needs to address the ongoing proliferation. So look, yeah, I mean, look, for sure, you know, there was never any doubt in my mind, I'll be honest with you, that this was going to happen. We're going to get that confirmation from the CEO. Honestly, like, it was just about a matter of when, because look, AI is the future. I mean, you know, whether you like it or not. And listen, you know, I like AI, I use AI, but I also love the traditional. I love the traditional, but look, I'm not stupid enough to know that, look, the future is going to be AI. Unfortunately or fortunately, whatever your view is, I'd love to know what your view is on this anyway. But to create designs through AI, I just think is like amazing, like so cool. You know, you can create easy designs and you don't have to be an artist. So I do feel like there's some positives. I also appreciate the traditional arts. Look, I come from a design background. I studied artists, true traditional artists. I study those people and I value them. And I respect them, and I respect you know, I used to paint on canvases, you know, stuff like that, even before graphic design. So I get it. I fully get it, right? I think one can appreciate every design style. I think one can. But I do like this update because this almost like gives you the seal of approval and saying, look, because look, on Etsy, people just do complain about AI. They do complain about it, saying, you know, like, this AI is just everywhere, it's taking over. What about the traditional handmade and that kind of thing? I do get their point, but look, the future is going to be AI. Doesn't mean we have to lose on the traditional. It doesn't mean that has to go away. No. I love the traditional, and I think that has to be on there too. But there is a place for AI. There's definitely a space for AI design, 100%. Why not? You know? And that is the future. And, you know, that is going to grow, because AI is growing not just on an Etsy platform in terms of design. It's growing in terms of our lives, you know. AI is the future. So, I don't know, we kind of have to embrace it in a way, I think, you know, I'm torn. I'll be honest with you. In terms of AI in general, I'm kind of torn. I'm not a huge fan of AI, like in every sense of the word, with everything that we do in the future, you know, where AI is going to be making, where AI is going to be like delivering packages in the future, maybe, or AI is going to be making products only, or AI is going to be driving cars, because I just hope we don't go over the top basically with AI. I'm talking about life now in general. So yeah, I don't know. It might sound a bit like confusing what I'm saying, but essentially I'm glad in terms of Etsy has kind of given the seal of approval to AI in terms of generating kind of designs and things like that, right? And I'd love to know your opinion on AI, whether it be on Etsy or general. Everything that, what else does it say? It says, our mission is keeping commerce human. We're all about humanity, but we talk about becoming superhuman by partnering with machines with people. We still need people in gift mode. We still have human curators that look at the ideas that the machines come up with and then pick the very best. And that feedback also helps the machines get better too. I think that's a decent answer, to be fair. I think that's a good answer. So look, how far is too far, you know? I mean, like creating designs through AI, I think is really cool. I think, you know, it still can be creative, but how far is too far with AI? I think that's a really valid question. I mean, in life, if AI starts taking over, and then also like the human element is removed from making things, creating things, you know, that is a kind of scary thought, I guess, you know. What do humans do then? I mean, in terms of work, you know, if AI does everything, what do we do? So I definitely think that AI can go too far, you know, and I hope it doesn't. I think if there is that collaboration in terms of between a human and like a platform, AI platform, I think that's a beautiful thing. I think if it becomes fully AI and then just AI, there's no human interaction or human input, I think that's when it goes a bit too far. So, you know, I'd love to know your thoughts. But like I said, I think the best scenario is when we still have the traditional, we still have the natural, we still have the handmade there. And we also have the AI on the other side, but not just AI with human collaboration, human input, and not just fully AI. Yeah, I hope that bit makes sense. But listen, personally, I'm very happy that kind of, you know, the CEO has kind of, you know, shows that they are obviously in favor of AI assisted. I guess there is a side of them that knows that, you know, they'll be making money because there is a demand for AI generated, let's say, designs, obviously, because they are selling and they do sell. So that is obviously good for the Etsy platform because obviously Etsy can make money from that. So I'm sure there's a financial side where they are happy with this. And, you know, there is a valid point when he says that collaborations between human synthesizers, you know, have produced amazing music. So that collaboration has worked in music and it has worked in many different other industries. I mean, we can talk about many things like car making, where you got the human input with the sort of AI robots that make the cars. There is a collaboration there. And there's a collaboration, obviously, in many, many industries right now. So collaboration works, but I think it's when AI goes a bit too far and it just becomes fully AI, then I guess, I mean, that does become too much. But please, let me know your thoughts, mate. Let me know your thoughts. Drop a comment below and I'd love to hear what you think. And remember, please join my community. Discord community is quite new. Join it. There's a link at the bottom. And then I think it's going to be a great place for more discussion. A great place for people to talk, message, and, you know, just talk to each other. And I think that's very important now. And then especially, you know, when we had issues with the Etsy forums, it's great to talk. I think it's fantastic to talk to each other. But do also please follow me on my TikTok and Instagram because they're still very lonely, mate. Very lonely. And do hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell for more updates in your feed, mate. In your feed. Take care.